How to play Twitter videos in background on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to play Twitter videos in background on iPhone. So first thing, just head over to your Twitter application and make sure you are logged into your account. And once you are logged into your account, just copy the link of any of the videos which you would like to play in the background. So for this process, since you cannot directly do it from the Twitter application, you need another application called X.app, which is available for free on your app store on inside iOS. So just open the application and all you have to do is just enter or paste the URL which you just copied from the Twitter. You can copy the videos link for any Twitter videos and just paste it over here just like this. So once you paste it, you click on search, and once you click on search, all you have to do is just click on this option which you see on the bottom, that is picture in picture. So I just want you to tap on this picture in picture button over here. As you can see, the video is being played, and now you can just play the video on your background. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.